One of the reasons kung bakit tayo nahihirapan maghanap ng client online is yung napili nating niche for our freelance career. Say for example, data entry specialist or yung pagiging isang customer service representative. Maraming clients na naghahanap for this type of jobs, pero sobrang daming nag-a-apply sa mga positions na ganito. I'm not saying na walang chance pumasa or makakuha ng client sa mga gantong niche. Pero honestly speaking, sobrang laki at sobrang dami ng competition sa mga gantong niche. And kadalasan guys, aminin na natin na sa mga ganitong position like data entry or customer service, yung mga magagaling at yung mga may experience lang talaga yung nakukuha ng mga clients. Sobrang challenging talaga. But have you ever thought of learning a new skill na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan? Yung mga niche na hindi pa masyadong marami yung nag-a-apply. So mag-share ako sa inyo ngayon guys ng isa sa mga patok na niche, kaya make sure to stay with me up until the end para malaman nyo kung ano to. Hey everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Russell, RJ for short. At nag-upload ako dito ng mga different ways to earn money online. If you're into this kind of videos, please make sure to click the subscribe button and bell icon below for more videos like this. So proceed na tayo agad sa topic natin guys. Ayun nga, isa sa mga solusyon na pwede natin gawin para mas mapabilis tayong makahanap ng client at makakuha ng mas mataas na offer is to learn a new skill na hindi pa masyado marami yung gumagawa. Isa sa mga patok na niche ngayon is ang pagiging isang social media advertiser. Specifically guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is about being a Facebook advertiser or yung mga tinatawag din natin na Facebook Ads Manager or Facebook Ads Specialist. Tama ang narinig nyo guys, pwedeng-pwede natin pagkakitaan si Facebook by performing different non-voice tasks as a Facebook advertiser. Paano ka ba magka-qualify as a Facebook advertiser? You need to have a knowledge of various paid marketing technologies and strategies. Kasama na dyan guys yung mga paid search, retargeting, social network advertising, and a lot of more technical things. So in short guys, kailangan alam mo yung mga technical sides sa Facebook, specifically for advertising. So usually, ang magiging goal nyo is to reach a wider audience, get more following, generate more leads and sales para matulungan yung mag-grow yung business ng client nyo. But the problem is, wala akong knowledge or I have zero knowledge when it comes to advertising with Facebook. Don't worry guys, kasi kahit sino ay pwedeng aralin tong si Facebook advertising or yung pagiging isang Facebook Ads Manager. Sobrang daming free courses na pwede nyong i-take online guys. Pero honestly, most of these free courses ay kulang sa information and kadalasan yung mga sinishare sa mga free courses na to is yung mga basics lang for advertising. Kaya naman guys, for today, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung tinake kong course, which is a very affordable course by the way, and sobrang effective ng course na to guys. Talagang nagamit ko siya for my social media advertising side hustle. Yes guys, ito ay paid course, pero hindi kayo magsisisi sa i-invest nyo sa course na to. Kasi nga, I personally use this course and I recommend this to everyone na gusto maging isang advertiser. I would like to introduce to you guys Facebook Savvy. Facebook Savvy is a comprehensive 3 hours long Facebook advertising mastery training course that will help you gain knowledge of creating a complete Facebook advertising campaign running 24 hours a day, generating sales, reaching your client's ideal audience, and helping their businesses grow. For me personally, it's really an effective course na talagang napakinabangan ko. Itong course na to includes a total of 9 chapters, and let me show you some snippets from the course para may overview na kayo ng mga bagay na matututunan nyo when taking this course. So this is the page for Facebook Savvy guys. Ililink ko na lang yan sa pinned comment and sa description. So for some of the snippets or kung ano yung mga matututunan nyo in this course, the first chapter will help you learn how to set up a Facebook page. Part of this module is learning how to set up data pixel tracking. Ito naman guys, magagamit nyo to for website conversions or sales conversions. And one of the most important things that you will learn here with Facebook Savvy are the best practices and inspiration for ads. So, paano ba gumawa ng effective ads na talagang mag-generate ng sales or makakakuha ng more audience for your client's business to grow. And syempre guys, pwede nyo rin gamitin to sa sarili nyong business. So if you have your own business and wala kang idea on how to advertise, you can take this course and apply it on your own business. Another thing that you will learn here is audience and competitor research. So dito na papasok yung pag-consider nyo sa audience or yung tatargetin yung audience and your competitors. You will also learn guys about campaign setup and targeting. Siyempre, matututunan nyo rin kung paano mag-split test and mag-optimize ng ads nyo. And ituturo din sa inyo sa module na to yung pag-create ng custom and lookalike audiences and retargeting. Another one guys is scaling and cost control. And ituturo din sa inyo on how to contact Facebook support in case you have any future issues with your advertising campaigns or ads. So there are a lot of things that you will learn about Facebook advertising if you take this course. Ang original cost ni Facebook Savvy guys is $59.99. You can get it for as low as $15. Yes guys, you heard it right. So mag-invest ka lang ng around 800 pesos for this course and imagine gaano kalaki yung babalik sa'yo kapag nakakuha ka na ng clients for this type of job. Or say for example, if you apply it to your own business, gaano kalaki yung babalik sa yung sales. Come on guys, pag sa mga luho or sa mga kung ano-anong bagay, madali tayong maglabas ng pera. So ito guys is a new learning, a new skill na i-invest natin for ourselves and for our future. And ang balik nito ay trabaho na pwede nating pagkakitaan for life. Siyempre, I understand those na walang capability to purchase or to get this course. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga tong aralin, you can take free courses. Pero if there's any way for you to get this course, I would really recommend getting Facebook Savvy because it will really be a great help for you guys. So make sure to click the link on the description and pinned comment to get the discounted price for this course. So, gaano ba kalaki kasi yung pwede mong kitain na sa Facebook advertiser? Bakit mo kailangan i-consider na aralin to at i-take si Facebook Savvy? Sa niche na to guys, you can earn from $5 to $40 per hour and it can even be higher. Here are some sources of expected salaries for Facebook advertiser. According to salary.com, Facebook advertisers earn from $26 to $41 per hour. Or Indeed, it's $5 and up. And according to ZipRecruiter, as a Facebook advertiser, you can earn about $29 per hour. And for Upwork jobs, yung range ng mga Facebook advertisers is from $15 to $40 per hour. Pero there are a lot of freelancers na nagcha-charge din for this type of job ng mga 3-digit rate per hour. Yes guys, if you are an expert, kung inaral mo to, and as time goes by, mamamaster mo tong niche na to, and you can charge clients more than the usual rate. So ngayon, alam mo na yung rates, alam mo na yung course na dapat mong i-take, at na-take mo na si Facebook Savvy. The question is, paano ka makakahanap ng clients or saan ka pwedeng magbenta ng services or maghanap ng client related to Facebook advertising? Here are some of the websites that you can use to look for Facebook advertising jobs. So, iilan lang to guys, sobrang dami pa niyan. Pero you can find Facebook advertising jobs with Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, you can sell your services there. Online Jobs PH, Virtual Staff PH, Cyberbacker, Coconut VA, AutoGrow, and LinkedIn. So that's it guys. Yan yung mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo about being a Facebook advertiser, Facebook ads manager, or Facebook ads specialist, and yung mga bagay na maitutulong sa inyo ni Facebook Savvy. So don't forget to click the link on the description kung interested ka na aralin tong niche na to for a discounted offer dito sa course ni Facebook Savvy. I hope na i-consider nyo to guys, and hopefully makita ko yung mga comments nyo in the future dito sa video na to na isa na kayong Facebook advertiser, nakakuha na kayo ng clients, and all that. So I'm looking forward into that guys. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you again in our next video. Kaya naman wag mong kalimutan na click yung subscribe button and bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos natin. Wag na rin kalimutan na i-like at i-share itong video na to and leave your comments down below. That's it guys. Bye for now. Take care and God bless everyone.